Adrian Gonzales, a former Uvalde school police officer, will be back in court later this morning. Yesterday, the jury heard emotional testimony from several witnesses, including a former teacher.
KENS 5 reporter Zach Briggs has been at the trial all week, and yesterday he spoke with the uncle of one of the victims after court, who shares how he's holding up so far.
We're almost wrapping up the first week of the Adrian Gonzales trial. The state continuing to call up witnesses. We had a few former teachers and law enforcement who recounted that dark day at Robb Elementary. Stephanie Hale back on the witness stand. The judge instructed the jury to disregard her testimony due to a dispute over her earlier testimony this week about the gunman. Amy Medine, Lynn Deming, and Nicole Ogburn testified as well. Teachers at Robb on May 24th, they recalled surviving the terror alongside their students.
Just hear more shots. They were like non-stop. I thought, he's gonna kill me.
The room next door was kind of loud. They didn't know anything, and so I opened the adjoining doors between me and the classroom next door, and I said, "Be quiet and get down."
I saw a guy dressed in black. He kind of had mid-length hair, and I saw a backpack and a gun pointed towards the playground and pavilion area.
The state and defense also spent hours with law enforcement witnesses who went over evidence of where the gunman may have been on campus based on the presence of shell casings and broken windows. And after court, I caught up with Jesse Rizzo, uncle of Robb victim Jackie Costas.
I understand ballistics, I understand, I get that part, but it's that connection, that the teachers come out of here, they have to relive that nightmare. And I deal for them. I deal for Miss Branco, I deal for Miss Ogburns, Stephanie, all the ones that testified. It's pink water here.
And the trial's slated to start up again at 9 a.m. I'm Zach Briggs, KENS 5.
Zach will be covering the trial today and next week. You can follow it on air, online, and you can catch it streaming on KENS 5 Plus.